The ChromaComfort SPK110RGBL Exhaust Fan by Broan-NuTone is a premium bathroom ventilation solution offering an impressive combination of quiet performance and powerful air movement with its 110 cubic feet per minute capacity. This fan features an innovative 24-color LED light and Sensonic Bluetooth speaker, allowing users to create a personalized ambience in their bathroom with endless lighting options and high-quality audio. With the convenience of a mobile app, users can easily adjust lighting themes, fan settings, and music playback, making it a user-friendly device for modern smart homes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the EZDUCT connector that allows for quick room-side installation without needing access to the attic, making it ideal for residential upgrades. The fan operates ultra-quietly at 1.5 zones, ensuring that your music or podcasts are not interrupted by background noise while effectively managing air quality and reducing humidity. Backed by Broan-NuTone's long-standing reputation for quality, this exhaust fan comes with a 3-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind for homeowners.